This is my recipe for onion and mushroom gravy. I'll start by dicing one medium onion very finely, and I'll add that to 4 tablespoons of butter. Now I've already sauteed about a cup and a half of sliced mushrooms in this same pan and set those aside. I'll be adding those back in. You want to saute these onions until they've caramelized and almost disintegrated. Just keep stirring it constantly. And then you want to add the mushrooms back in. And just mix all that together for a couple of minutes. And then go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of flour. Mix that very well. You want to get rid of the flour taste, and you want the flour to brown. And right there I've added in about 4 small cloves of minced garlic. After I've got that as brown as I would like it, I'll go ahead and add about 28 ounces of beef broth. And you want to stir that constantly. It'll begin to thicken as it comes to a boil. Just keep stirring until it's to the consistency that you like. And right there you can see it's very rich, creamy, and thick. Give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching.